Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Alita Madera. You can call me Alita for short. I'm 36 years old, with live-in partner, blessed with 3 kids, aged 19, 18 years old, and 14 years old. My height is 150 cm. My weight is 68 kilogram. I am high school graduate. I have working experience in Kuwait for 7 years. For one employer only, I can take care, baby, kids, pet, cleaning, ironing, and cooking Filipino food. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Please hire me as your helper. Currently, I'm here in Philippines, applying job for Hong Kong. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you, ma'am and sir. God bless you. Have a nice day.